happy New Year's Day to y'all. And we just gonna do like a simple vlog style cooking. Queen gonna make some fried corn. We're gonna make some black eyed peas, cornbread, and yams. And I have the ham in the oven that I'm gonna do my thing on. So once again, like I said, y'all, happy New Year's. We hope and pray that 2023 be better than 2022 for y'all. Make sure that y'all remain strong. Keep your faith. Stay positive. Stay in your peace. And always remember that it's always someone else that's going through something that's worse than what you're going through. So, on that note, y'all stay tuned for the rest of this vlog style video. Hey crew, I'm running a little behind on videos, and this video is from New Year's Day. I'm just getting it up for y'all, so I apologize. And this video will be a challenge. I need 100 likes and over 300 views on this video, and I'm gonna bless someone. So y'all just sit back, enjoy this video, and enjoy the nice music.
Your soul, and honey, I'll show you mine. Show you mine. Boy, I'm standing right here holding up a sign, shamelessly displaying my state of mind. But you walk right past me, pretending like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. So, baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Can't you see it's way past time? How explicit do I have to be? And then I spell it out before you get it, baby. Show me your soul. And honey, I'll show you mine. If you don't take notice and come around, if you walk right past me one more time like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Whoa, show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul.
Okay crew, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Cool it is.